Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Takbir Hassan. I am from Noakhali. Actually, it's been a great pleasure for me to introduce before you. I'm very happy to come here in this afternoon, and I'm student. I have completed my HSC 2024, and my father is a businessman. He is a hard worker, and my brother is also a businessman. My mother is homemaker. My favorite hobby is gardening because I always love gardening. It's my favorite hobby, and I always love my teachers. I always love honesty because only a honest man can improve in his life, and I always dislike cheating, backbiting, because backbiting and cheating, man, they are very dangerous for basically for our society and our country. I hope one day I will be a businessman and a successful businessman because recently job is very crisis, and basically Bangladeshi young generation they are very jobless, and I also want to create a new business. Actually, my father is a very hardworking man, and I always learn another things from my father. He told me, don't give up. You just try more and more. No problem. If you face, if you will face another problem in your life. Doesn't matter. You don't care it. You just try. You just try. One day you will be successful, and I'm very happy, and now I am very happy, and that's all for the time being about myself. That's all for the time being.